The NAVIC Electric Scooter offers a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its dual suspension system, which effectively absorbs shocks and adapts to various road conditions. Equipped with a robust 350-watt motor, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and has an impressive range of 19 miles, making it perfect for daily commutes. Safety is a top priority with this scooter, featuring a dual braking system, bright lighting, and puncture-free solid tires to ensure a secure and enjoyable riding experience. The innovative dual-lock folding mechanism provides enhanced stability, ensuring that the scooter remains steady even on bumpy roads. With intelligent app connectivity, riders can easily control various functions such as speed, lights, and riding modes directly from their phone. Weighing only 30.8 pounds, this lightweight and portable scooter can be folded in just 3 seconds, making it convenient to carry on public transportation.